and MVP Sports Foundation. Also brought to you by PLDT, Meralco, TV5, Gatorade, Maynila Metro Pacific Tollways, Felix Mining Corporation, Metro Pacific Investments, PS Bank Auto Loan, Smart Araneta Coliseum, Bulldog Shoes, Super Glue, and Water Stop Wet and Dry Sealant, Clear for Men, Anti-Dandruff Shampoo, Chevrolet, Blackwater, KFC Tower Burger, Voice Combo Sandwich, Petron Blaze, Centrum, Vaseline Men Face Scrub, EDSA Shangri-La Manila, and Pizza Hut with media partners, The Philippine Star and Philippine Daily Inquirer.
Helicopter, dito po ako sa Araneta Coliseum para sa unang araw ng ating Ultimate All-Star Weekend. Ang daming tao, napaka-excited. I'm very lucky to be here. Maraming salamat po at naging party po ako nitong show na to. At you know what? Andito na yung mga players. Excited na sila maglaro. It's PBA All-Stars versus Smart All-Stars para sa unang araw. At bukas abangan nyo rin po Smart Gilas versus Smart All-Stars. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Huwag nyo nang ilipat yung channel, okay?
Yun po ang itsura sa labas. Ito naman ang itsura sa loob ng Championship Capital of Philippine Basketball, the Araneta Coliseum. And I can tell you, from deep personal experience, I have had many basketball experiences, but this is like no other. Unmatched, unparalleled, at totoo lang, unbelievable to be seeing all these players in one team, in one place, dito po sa may atin. Iba po, pag tayo pumupunta ng Estados Unidos para panoorin sila. Ibang-iba naman pag sila ang pumupunta dito para maglaro sa harap po nating lahat. Magandang gabi po, Pilipinas. Nico Alili welcoming you to the special active coverage of the Smart Ultimate All-Star Weekend. Kasama po natin Jason Webb and Smart Gilas point guard Jimmy Alapag. Ano, Nico, itong nakikita natin ngayong araw na to, punong-puno po ang Araneta Coliseum. At bakit naman hindi? I believe when as a kid, you have two dreams. Yung una, maging PBA player. Yung pangalawa, makapunta ng Amerika at makapanood ng mga All-Stars. Sa araw na to, makikita nila ang kanilang mga All-Star idols dito mismo sa Pilipinas. Kalaban pa ang kanilang mga PBA idol. Jimmy, nagkaroon na tayo ng mga teams from the US. Naglaro na dito dati. We've had mga US legends and US All-Stars going here individually. What makes this event so different?
It's an incredible event to have all these players here in the Philippines together. It's gonna be incredible for Philippine basketball and for the PBA, and sobrang excited ako. So looking forward to the game.
Okay, excited na po kami lahat, and as well as the thousands inside the Big Dome and the thousands watching over Active. Ngayon busy po itong ating Smart All-Stars throughout the day. They started their day with a clinic, no, with Pinoy youngsters sa may Inares Sports Arena in Pasig. Ayan, sila Derrick Rose, Kobe Bryant, Derek Fisher, James Harden. Nagturo po sila, no, ng mga fundamental sa mga bata. No? It's all part of reaching out. It's all part of touching lives, Jason. And you can see that itong mga All-Stars natin, lahat tinuturuan nila, bata. May edad ng konti. Babae at lalaki, tinuruan na rin nila. And this is what they're giving back dito sa Pilipinas. Not only are they gonna give us a show today, they were also showing up doon sa mga clinic at nagtuturo ng kabataan na Pilipino. So ayan po yung naging clinic sa may Inares Sports Arena in Pasig. I'm sure unforgettable po nakaranasan yan for the kids who took part in a very special event. Jimmy, can you imagine yung feeling ng mga bata who were part of that event? You get to learn from these U.S. All-Stars.
It has to be a dream come true for these kids. You know, we see these guys all the time on TV, and to actually have an up-close experience with them, it's really a special thing for those kids and for these fans here tonight in Araneta. It's going to be a great weekend.
Okay, after naman po nung clinic ng mga bata, ito, naghanda na yung ating mga Smart All-Stars, and in a moment, we'll bring you the highly anticipated start of the Ultimate All-Star Weekend mula rito sa Big Dome, dito lamang sa Active.